Joy here. Lunch tayo. I have here pork sinigang. Alam nyo guys, yung pork tendons, pinressure cooker ko kaya sobrang lambot niya. A very good source of collagen. Isa talaga to sa paborito kong ulam. Kaso guys, umiiwas ako sa rice kasi nga gusto ko magbawas ng timbang. Kaya ang ginagawa ko ngayon, for instance, today kakain ako ng rice. The next following day, hindi ako kakain ng rice. Ulam lang, fruit, and salad, ganon. But today, gusto kong kumain ng rice. At dahil gusto ko nga mag-rice without feeling any guilt and worry about my diet, at dahil nga masarap yung aking ulam, I'm gonna try this Konjac Zero Shirataki Dry Rice from Black Slim. This product claims zero sugar, high satiety. High satiety means a feeling of being full and satisfied for a long period of time. Gluten-free, weight loss friendly, and no cook solution because we only need hot water to cook it. So mag-prepare na ako guys para makapag-lunch na tayo. I have here another pack na binuksan ko na guys. So maglalagay lang ako dito. There. Then lalagay ko dito. And then guys, water. Same din na sukat ng rice. And then guys, kaberan lang natin mga 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so habang nag-aantay tayo guys, ano nga ba yung ingredients ng Konjac Zero na to? So yung ingredients niya is konjac flour, rice flour, and water. And then let me read this to you guys. Dried konjac rice provides a high level of satiety, helping people feel full for longer and reduce their cravings for high-calorie foods, thus aiding in weight loss. So, napaka-weight loss friendly niya, guys. Bagay talaga to sa akin. But let's try kung ano talaga yung lasa niya. I think ready na yung ating rice. Tanggalin na natin yung cover. Oh, look at that. Mix natin, guys, ah. Oh. Try natin. Parang din talaga siyang rice. Try na natin with the sinigang. Ang lambot ng pork tendons. Kain guys. Pwede siya pang substitute talaga guys sa rice. Napapadami ako ng kain na ito. Pwede kaya magdala ng isang maletang ganito from Pinas to Japan? Alam nyo ba guys, pinabitbit ko lang to sa aking office mates. That's why I have 2 packs. Shout out kay Jai and Rubes. Thank you guys. And sa mga gustong umiwas sa rice at nagbabawas ng timbang kagaya ko, try nyo tong Konjac Zero. Promise guys, pwede talaga siya everyday na rice ninyo. And no guilt and no worries kasi zero sugar nga siya and weight loss friendly.